Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we ended up routing all of the electronics and the wires for the halos. We have everything wired up. Now what we did was, during the install you saw that each of these halos has a ground wire and a hot wire. So what we did for the halos to wire them together, we took the hot wire, well, for both wires, we twisted them together, and we started actually on the passenger side. So that, we started over there, we ran an extension hot wire and an extension ground wire through this conduit right here behind the radiator. So you see how that all is in there. And then we came up here and we did the same thing and teed it off into this conduit right here. And we all ran some more wire behind the fender well. So all of this is hidden behind the fender well and out of the way. So we ran that out through the fender well, behind the master cylinder, around, and then I know some people are going to be like, why did you do it like that? I am sorry. A lot of wires were in the way and I wanted to get it done, and I did not realize that I put it around the throttle cable. But as you can see down there right below the throttle cable, there is that black rubber grommet. And directly to the left you could see a square looking piece. Well, that was already there and that was a factory plug. So if you can, that's where I would recommend running your wires through. So that goes directly into the cab, and I'll show you that right now. Alright, so this is inside the cab, and you see that black conduit wire coming through. Well, that runs, if you can see it up there, it runs around and over the steering column, and then right there. And then we have the power source plugged into our fuse block right there. And the white wires for my tack, so the tack light can also come on. And then we have it grounded right there on the pedal. So that is pretty much how I wired it. And this way, everything is sealed, soldered, connected, and out of the way, and you don't see it, and it looks nice and clean and factory.